Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Kate, founder of Nodo, and today we are making pancakes using our better batter mix. I make these pretty much every day in our house. The kids and I, we love them. They contain probiotics, the post-biotic type. So every pancake contains 5 billion probiotics that we use for digestive and immune health. So another reason to eat them every day. Let's get started. So you'll need 1 egg. Now the recipe calls for half a cup of milk, but I'm actually using buttermilk. I've started using it recently, and honestly, it just adds this beautiful softness to the pancakes. So whisking the egg and the buttermilk together. And now we're just gonna add 1 cup of flour, or 170 grams. And we are ready to pop them on the hot pan. Beautiful. I like to keep it super simple with pancakes. So I'm just gonna add some butter, maple syrup, and then put them to the test. Love. Nothing beats pancakes. So yummy. Check that out.